So, you want to make some cards? Well, when I say cards, I mean a whiteboard card, an inner trading card sleeve, and 2 pieces of paper. Perfectly usable proxy cards, but if you want foils, authenticity, or even nice cardboard, this isn't for you. The whiteboard cards and sleeves I use will be linked on Amazon, but anything with inspection works just fine. I'm going to do this for Magic the Gathering as it's what I've done already, but this should work with any other trading card game. And if you comment a good repository, I'll link it in the description below. My repository for Magic is Scryfall. In short, they've got good quality images and a really advanced search for those inclined, but the syntax guide makes it fairly user-friendly. Go ahead and find whatever card you need, but for demonstration, I'm going to use Faithless Looting. Now, it'll provide you a card art already, but if you want a different one, you can click on View All Prints right here, and before you pick an image, add is high res to the search, just so any image you do pick is good quality. In my case, I'll go with this one. And just scroll down and download the PNG. As for assembly, any art program should work fine, but I use GIMP since it's more complex than Paint, but easy enough to learn, and it has a community large enough that you should be able to find answers to any questions you do have. For this in particular, I have the OFN Ungroup Layers plugin, linked below. It's not required, but it just saves some future tedium. From here, open the provided template, linked below, and press Ctrl-D to make a copy just so you don't overwrite the original. Then, grab up to 9 images and drop them in the group. From here, select the group, and use Shift-S to scale everything to 745 by 1044 pixels. After that, hold Alt and click the image next to Inner Alignment, as this will select your real working area. Now, just make sure you ungroup all your cards, or the next step is going to splatter them everywhere. That's what I have the plugin for, but you can also just drag them out of the group. From here, hit Q for the alignment tool, and make sure you align relative to selection. Now click and drag over the cards, then align them to the bottom and space them out. And with the align buttons, just put them in each of the 9 spaces, and you can send in the print. I had some issues where my printer would put lines on the card, but I found that setting it to high quality prints fixed the problem, albeit consuming a bit more ink. All that's left is repeating this 15-ish more times for card fronts and custom backs if you so choose, sandwiching everything together, and you've done it. A completely functional 100 card deck. Now, I don't imagine that these are tournament legal proxies, but if you're going to tournaments, I think you're beyond the scope of this video.